Hi, Agent Bosco here, broker with Sotheby's International Realty Canada. Welcome to my newest listing at 30 Grand Trunk Crescent. The Infinity One condo building is steps away from CN Tower, Rogers Center, Scotiabank Arena, and it's a 5-minute walk to the Union Station. This large 2-bedroom, 2-bath corner suite has 869 square feet and amazing floor-to-ceiling windows with these spectacular city views. You don't want to miss this tour. Let's go check it out.